Happy Cambodian New Year to you guys. I know this video might be late, but not much going on today. I detailed the Miata yesterday, and I still gotta finish up, so there's a couple things I need to do. But I got the homie coming over with his Teggy, so I could probably do a proper rolling shot with his car, since I still have cousin's gimbal. I don't use it very often because it makes this buzzing noise when you record. I don't know, probably because the motor is too close to the mic on the camera or something. I don't know, I just use it for tracking shots. I need to wake up. You know how I wake up? By opening my eyes. But he's on his way. He just had his second baby, so congrats to him and his brother. His brother had another baby. They were born on the same day, which is nuts. It's cool though. I'm happy for them. I hope I can get him the gift that I want to get him. I don't know. I'll think about that later. I haven't waxed the car in a while, so I got off all the winter dirt, grease, grime, and I think it looks good. It looks good in the garage, but I haven't pulled it out in the sun yet. So let me go put on some shoes and a shirt, and let's go check it out.
Put the rotors on?
Oh, my thing's on a tattoo.
Oh,
yeah. Lower offset.
What is that? Clutch wheels?
I wish.
I don't know. I thought because
they're like the SL1.
Yeah.
I think the one you're talking about. Yeah.
Still haven't lowered it yet, huh?
Not yet.
No.
It's still snowing. It'll snow next week.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Fuck. Cool, man. It looks completely different when I saw it last time.
Yeah. Whatever.
You didn't want to put the plate on the side, on the front?
I didn't have time.
Oh.
More zip ties.
It's cool. Looks good, man. Probably get some rolling shots. But I did the rest of the car. And it's like, I have so much oxidation on the top. It fucking sucks. Like, you can see it here, and then like up here, and then like this, the top part of the bumper, and then the hood.
Oh, I think
Yeah.
from the fucking sun.
Yeah, it's just,
Burning.
yeah.
Sway bar too, huh?
Yeah, I did everything. I haven't waxed the wheels yet, and I didn't do the windows or vacuum, but yeah, let me pull out into the sun and see. Looks good.
Hear what I say, we are the business today. Fuck shit is finished today. RT&J, we the new PB&J. We dropped the classic today. We did a tablet of acid today. Lit joints with the matches and ashes away. We dash away. Donna and Dixon, the pistol is blasting away. Doctors of death.
So we're gonna go ahead and install this strobe light module into the homie's car, because I couldn't get it to work on the girlfriend's car. We're gonna go ahead and do that. That's good. Oh, okay. Open it. It's now or never. Point of no return.
Fuck it.
Fuck it, huh?
Can also reconnect it.
Yeah. Okay, I need and like with her card, since it's like I don't know, modern LED, it probably affected the module. I have no idea, man. I could be wrong. But it works on this car, it works on my car.
Let go. Again? No?
Okay, I'm gonna test it out one more time before I seal it all up.
Okay.
Mom? Yeah, we won.
We're gonna go ahead and head to the home of his brother's crib, check out my godson, and probably get some glamour shots of the Teggy. So, hopefully I get some good ones. Hope you guys are ready, because I'm not. I don't know, I've never tried to get rolling shots before. So we'll see how that goes. And there's a park nearby, so we're probably gonna get some glamour shots there. And hopefully this gimbal doesn't make enough buzzing noise, because it seems to do that when I take tracking shots. We'll see how it goes. Let's start the car. Oh, thank you. Look at him go.
You know what I stand for? If Cleveland in the house, I gotta be the landlord. I'm reppin' the city, who reppin' it with me? So pop up the bottles and roll up the sticky. We cockin' the 40s and low with the semis. We smoke to the ash and drink till it's empty. ECG and I breath for y'all. Hey, you missin' like Uncle Charles? Got killers on St. Clair, Linda Cray, Westside, G Square, all the way to 7 all 30th. Put up with y'all. Many more streets, can't name them all. Hood chicks, so heist girls. Cleveland, we got the baddest bras. They call me Ray Jr., I'm who they blogging about. I'm from EastCleveland.com and I ain't logging out. Go!
I'm from the land, I'm a nutcake. True, you think it's sweet? Yeah. Snatch your cupcakes. Right. I know some Cleveland shit.
Do you? We're gonna go to the park and get some shots of his car. It's been a month since I've seen it, so let's go do that. And there's a Miata right there, man. If he's selling that, I would buy it for a daily driver. I would. It's just sitting there being neglected. All right. From the park shooting some glamour shots with the homie, and I gotta get in and get something to eat, but definitely follow him on his channel. I'll put a link up so you could get to his page, and I'm excited for what he's gonna do to the car. Hopefully it'll be soon. I'm hoping he'll drop the car soon, because then he could put on the wheels that I sold him, which was the Rotas. It'll be cool. I'm supposed to meet up with him tomorrow, but that'll be after I get my wisdom tooth taken out, so hopefully I can talk tomorrow. Hopefully I'm not all doped up tomorrow. I hope I'm not doped up, because I will enjoy it too much. Happy New Year's to all the Cambodian folks, whoever's watching, any Cambodian folks that's watching, which I highly doubt, but it's cool to give them a shout out. Until next time, fellas.